I hope all of you safe at home. Children, in the previous video we have learned SMPS, modem and types of modems. In the present video we are going to see about the types of modems, heatsink and the ports. Children, come to the first one, internal modem. It is a device that is already installed in the computer. Children, this internal modem is connected and inserted in behind of the CPU cabinet. It is used to connect through the wire for the internet purpose. It is the form of a cord that is inserted into one of the slots on the main board. And see, the next one is external modem. External modem is just through a cable it is connected with CPU cabinet to start or to work with the internet. Okay, children, I hope that image you might be seeing that. Okay, that image will be like this, the external modem. It is a modem that is installed outside the CPU. It is in the form of a box that is normally connected to USB port of a computer. The speed of a modem is measured in BPS and kbps. BPS means bytes per second and kbps means kilobytes per second. And the next one is PC card modem. It is specially designed for laptops and handheld computers. It is similar to the size of a credit card and first into the PC card slots on notebook and handheld computers. It fits exactly and just inserting it and it will be used. The image will be like this, children. You might be seeing the image, no? Yes, the image will be like this and this will be inserted especially for laptops and handheld computers. So no cable is required other than the telephone line connection. Okay, children, come to the next one, that is heat sink. See, children, this heat sink is very important in the computer because while we are using the computer, if you use 5 to 10 minutes continuously, the system gets heated up. To reduce the heat, we need heat sinks. So what it will do, it takes the warm air and from the inside to outside and send it out to everything and makes the processor cool and the full entire computer will be cool and we can continue to work more than hours. So that purpose the heat sink is used. Yeah, heat sink is an electronic device which is designed to display the heat generated by the CPU. It is made up of metal such as copper or aluminum alloy and normally uses a fan to keep the processor cool. Heat sinks commonly used in all CPUs. It is also used in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. So whenever we use ACs, no, this type of heat sink is there. So what will happen? It sends a cool breeze inside the house and takes the warm air and sends out. So for that purpose we are using heat sink. Come to the next one, that is ports. So apart from this or components, we have other ports are there to connect it with various types of external hard disk or hardwares like a CPU and monitor, keyboard, mouse and some more, even a speaker, okay, and projectors. For that all purpose we have extra ports in the CPU. Something is fixed behind the CPU cabinet and something is in front of the cabinet. A computer port is a slot on the motherboard that acts as a point of connection between a computer and an external device. Cables of external device like keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, etc. are plugged into this port to attach them into a computer. There are several types of ports which are used to connect various external devices to the computers. Most of the ports are visible at the backside of the CPU cabinet while a few are placed in front of that. Some of these ports are colored coded that identify a specific device to be plugged in them. So some ports are used with the color. So like when we are inserting speakers might be seeing, might be having a yellow color, green color, red color, like that. So these ports are connected with, colored with, and used for that specific